I love when people say, oh, Pan-Africanism doesn't work in real life. It doesn't work in the modern world. Give me some examples, because I love bringing up this example in this video here, where on Wednesday, October 13th, 2010, I believe, Haitian students arrived in Africa, taking up then Senegalese president, I think his name is Abdoulaye Wade's offer of free education in the aftermath of the earthquake that hit Haiti earlier that year. It was actually a group of about 163 students that landed in Dakar, which is Africa's westernmost city, if I believe correctly, on a Senegalese chartered plane. Were met by groups of traditional dancers and crowds of people, a parade chanting Haiti, Haiti, before being taken off for a ceremony. Yeah, you can see how happy these people are. These are college age students that were unable to complete their education because of the earthquake in Port-au-Prince. Yeah, it's a beautiful sight, honestly. More than 200 years after, leaving Africa, just to come back in a positive way, as free men gaining an education, back on the motherland. It's beautiful.
I'm feeling well, very well.
Voilà, mesdames et messieurs, j'aimerais saluer la présence de des amis qui sont là.
Yes, I'm happy to come to study here.
Ici, mon cher ami Bekay Bay.
My name is Peterson.
C'est bon, voilà. Et que voilà, de sonorisation. On appelle les artisans. Ils sont tous l'exemple que vous êtes ici. Le Sénégal vous salue, l'Afrique vous salue, le monde vous salue.